Now, your most accurate forecast from the First Coast News Weather Team, sponsored by AC Designs.
Okay, we're going to walk you through day by day what we think is going to happen with this tropical cyclone, but typically, especially when they're just forming and they're a long way out. Again, it's over 800 miles out. We're throwing a lot of numbers at you. So let's start off with what we call the big three. That is the headlines. Bottom line, this tropical cyclone is just now forming. It's a tropical depression. We do expect all tropical systems are cyclones. We do expect this cyclone to become a tropical storm and then eventually a hurricane, and it's going to be named IDALIA. That's how we're pronouncing it, IDALIA, or that's how we've been told to pronounce it. So you might be wondering, well, why are we talking about this when Franklin's a hurricane? Franklin is going to intensify. In fact, it looks now like Franklin is going to become a Cat 4 hurricane. Those warm waters are certainly producing. Winds are now forecast to reach 130, gusts to 150. But with all the confidence that we have, that is every single hurricane indicator in forecasting, is that this hurricane will pass over 600 miles east of us. So let's go back to the tropical cyclone. That's just a depression, but we do expect and are forecasting it to become a hurricane. So watch the evolution of the two. There goes what will become a Cat 4. Here is IDALIA as it's a tropical storm. This is 48 hours from now, but we do think it will continue to intensify as it continues to head to the north and northeast. There's going to be a lot of discussion about forecasting. You get to look at some yourself. What are we watching? There's a lot of different indicators, but this is the key one. This is the reflection. These are thunderstorms of what we call the kicker, and this is in the upper level of the jet stream. The faster this drops to the south in the western Gulf of Mexico, the quicker that shear, which is good, the quicker that shear will decrease, which is bad, and the moisture will increase. That's bad. So that's what we're going to be watching. If that kicker moves relatively slow, we'll have more of a landfall between Tampa and about the Cedar Key area. If it moves quicker, then we'll see it farther off to the west. Again, the farther to the west that landfall, the stronger the hurricane will be. And notice right now we're painting pretty much what the cone shows between Cedar Key and then about Panama City. So those are the ifs that we will be watching day by day. Nice and quiet tomorrow, meteorologically speaking. Watches and warnings, I don't think will be issued for us until Monday. Remember, they're issued 48 hours before we expect tropical storm force winds, which means even on Tuesday, I don't think we're going to see strong gusty winds and wet weather until late. Wednesday is going to be the day, so we can prepare Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Keep updated. We'll continue to adjust those forecasts.